Hello, in this video I want to show you how to hard reset VIVO IQOO Z8 through the settings. And to do this, let's begin with our settings, open this app and then scroll down. Here I would recommend to go for the account and remove every account from Google if you're planning on setting this device. Then when you've removed your account, we can go to the system, backup and, or actually not backup and restore, reset options. That's what we were looking for. And here we can erase all data and factory reset our device. Click on it, erase all data, erase all data. And now we just need to wait till we see first setup screen on our device. And now hard reset is done and you can perform first setup. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.